find the number which the arrow is pointing to each of these scales. So what we've got here is a scale. This is actually called a number line. So if we write the first one out, now it's a good idea sometimes if you can to try and get the middle number. So 7, 9, the middle number must be 8. So the middle number is 8. So how many do these go up? So this must be 7.2, 7.4, 7.6, 7.8. So these are going up in 0.2 each time. So this number here is going to be 8.2, 8.4. So our number is going to be 8.4. Okay, the second one, you've got 3.1 and 3.2. There is no middle number here. So these are going, this one would have to be 3.12, this one would have to be 3.16, and this is 3.18. So the number is going up by 0.02 each time. So our arrow will be 3.14. So the arrow points to 3.14. Part C, sorry. Right, so we've got 0.02 and 0.03. So the middle number is going to be 0.025. All right, and then we can see that each of these is now going up by 0.001. Because this one would have to be 0.021, 0.022, 0.023. The number that we want is going to be 0.024. So the arrow points to 0.024. And the last one's a little bit more difficult because this starts at 2.2 and ends at 2.5. So what would be the middle number? So the middle number is going to be 2.225. If we write some of these in, perhaps you'll be able to see why. So if we start down here, so we're looking at the divisions now. This will have to be 2.05. This one would have to be 2.210. I've not written the 0 in. This one will be 2.215. And this one will be 2.220. This was 2.225. Carrying on, this will be 2.23. This one will be 2.235. This one would have to be 2.24, and this one will be 2.245. It's a little bit difficult, but by writing them in, maybe it might help you see it. So the division is in fact going to be 0.005. If you add 0.005 to 2.2, that's what you get here. And therefore, the arrow points to 2.24. Okay, so this has been a video to do sort of place value on a number line. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.